Hey, this is Marco, and I'm going to show you how to cancel 24-hour fitness membership. Before I begin with this video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So the way to do it is you can use any of these four methods. So you can call them at this number. You can just contact your local club, so just go there, go to the front desk and tell them, hey, I want to cancel my membership. Third way is to fill out an email registration form on the site. And the last thing is to log to your My24 and cancel through my account. So if you are a monthly membership plan, you will need to provide a notice to 24-hour fitness either in writing or in person at club. Auto renewal for membership will be stopped and you can cancel your membership. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.